I'm just asking if you had a knife.
You don't have any business with me.
In this body cam video, an officer approaches a man sitting in a private parking lot after a call claimed he looks suspicious. The man pushes back, demanding to know what crime he's suspected of, and reminding the officer that without a crime, he has no authority over him. The conversation turns tense, with debates about rights, harassment, and even the Constitution. What started as a simple check quickly turns into a clash over freedom and power.
What was that?
Do you need any help from me or any assistance?
Did I call you?
No. But the
So why are you bugging me?
reason I'm stopping out here with you is because somebody called and
Because
said
I'm
you
on
looked-
private property?
No, because somebody called and said you
Was it
looked
management?
suspicious. So
Was it management?
I don't know.
No, so it don't matter.
I'm not
What
sure
crime
if it
do you
was
suspect
management.
me of committing?
I'm not sure if it was management. Do you
What
need
crime
any-
do you suspect me of committing?
Do you need any assistance from me?
What crime do you suspect me of committing?
I don't suspect you committing it.
Okay, then you have no business with me.
I can still talk to you.
You have no business with me.
I can still talk to you.
You are so stupid. So you have no business with me. Move on.
I'm just asking if you had a knife.
You don't have any business with me.
You don't
You don't have any business with
Just
me.
asking if you had one.
You don't have any business with me. You don't suspect me of a crime. You're law enforcement,
Okay.
which means that you must have a crime in order to deal with me. This is not consensual. I don't want to talk to you. If you have any questions for me, direct them to my lawyer. In America, the police have no business harassing the public absent a crime. Yes, this is considered harassment absent a crime.
I don't
So
think
yeah, let's keep going with it.
I got called about you, but
I don't give a you got called about. I didn't
gotta
call
come
you.
out and check.
You don't suspect me of a crime and you're law enforcement.
they did.
Who did?
The person that called.
And that was who? Not management, right?
How do you know it's not management?
How did? Because I know the management because I have business here.
Okay.
I'm here every day. So if somebody called on me, it was not management.
I'm allowed to come on here and check.
You're allowed to come on and check when you suspect crimes. You are not allowed to harass the public and violate their Fourth Amendment right to be free from unnecessary, undue harassment.
I can
Illegal searches,
I can-
seizures,
I can
etc.
drive through this parking lot
Yep, you
whenever I
sure
want.
can. I'm going to walk over and make sure I get your ID on your vehicle.
Okay,
You have
sure.
you have nothing to fear from me. I would never cause you guys harm, just so you know. You have nothing to fear from me. But I am going to walk over here and
Yeah, grab
ID
my
your
plate.
vehicle and, you know, all that jazz. Do you have any drugs or weapons that are unregistered?
I hope not.
Can I check?
Nope.
Can I get you to sit on the curb over here?
Nope.
No? No? Can I get you to keep your hands away from your gun, please? Get your hands out of your pocket for my safety. For my safety, I'd like you to keep your hands out of your pocket.
Is that plate on there yours?
I'm not answering. I already told you any questions you have for me, you need to direct to my
I was just wondering
attorney.
if you were Jeff.
Any questions you have for me, you need to direct to my attorney.
Okay.
It's what is suspicious? That a misdemeanor or a felony? Right? That's so stupid. That's a oh, you're suspicious. What is suspicious about a car parked in a parking lot?
That's not what
Oh,
said they thought you were tweaking.
oh, tweaking. Are you going to give me a drug test?
Do you want me to?
Do you got one? I'll pee in a cup for you just because I like you. I like your smile, bud. You're good. They suspected me of tweaking for sitting in a parking lot, which I do every day at the same time. I know it was. It was not somebody who belongs to the hotel. Oh, wait, is this your girlfriend over here? Oh, man, I didn't realize you had your girlfriend in the car. What policy is that says you can have your girlfriend in the car? Look at that. Caught him with his girlfriend.
By the end, the officer admits he doesn't suspect any crime and eventually walks away. The man later confirms with management that no one had even called about him. The officer had stopped only because he saw someone sitting in a car. The video closes with the man pointing out how he was hassled for no reason, calling it a clear example of unnecessary police interference. He signs off telling viewers to stay alert and come back for the next encounter. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. In this video, a man sits inside his parked car when an officer approaches, asking for registration. The man quickly pushes back, arguing that since he isn't driving, he doesn't need to show it. Back and forth, they debate California law, expired plates, and constitutional rights. The man insists he knows the law while the officer keeps pressing. What begins as a question about registration soon turns into a heated exchange about freedom, rights, and authority.
Public roadway, which you are, has to be registered within the state of California or in any other state, right? So if your vehicle is not registered,
it's registered, but I'm
subject to tow, right? So that's why I asked for registration. I didn't even need your name.
Yeah, it's registered.
But you kind of went way up here
because
and you could have been done in like 30
I know, but I know what I have to do and I know what I don't have to do. So if I was driving, I would have to give you my registration. Hey, listen, because I've been through this already.
Okay.
Out in Fontana, I was sitting in the car. Same thing happened. I'm not operating a vehicle.
You don't have to be in the state of California.
And my key is not.
Google 4,000 of California.
But listen. If it's parked and I'm just sitting in it, but it's not expired. See what you said? Expired. Go look at my plate.
You missed the whole thing.
I know the penal code. It's I know what it is, bro. It has to be expired and sitting on the roadway, bro. I'm sitting on the roadway, but I'm not expired.
But you arguing about something that
because I know what I have to do and what I don't have to. Run my name. If that's what you want to do, run my name, bro. I don't have to.
That's not what I came over here for.
So what are you messing with me for? If you walk, what was I doing when you walked up? What did you get a call for?
Nothing.
Who did you get a call for?
Nobody called.
So why are you messing with me?
I'm not messing with you, man. I didn't even see the
Fifth Amendment, bro.
Originally, man.
All right, bro. Do what you got to do, bro.
Man.
All right, man. I'm just sitting here, bro. Because if I get arrested, what would be the charge? I didn't do anything. I was sitting in the car. And I'm not going to get out the car. I don't have to. If it wasn't registered, I wouldn't be driving it. I don't commit crimes. That's why I gave you my first and last name. You see what I'm saying?
I'm not saying
I don't commit crimes.
Is it could have been done in 30 seconds. If you would have been, oh, here's my registration, which most people do, because people make mistakes. Everybody's human error, right?
I wanted the lawsuit. I wanted the lawsuit for real. I wanted you to break the guy, pull me out, throw the car, all that for my to be registered. You get what I'm saying?
That's why I took.
You got the wrong person. I'm not. I know what you walked up into back there. I'm not a part of that. I'm sitting here eating lunch, bro. Exactly. So once you seen me eating lunch, you should have left me alone. If I was in your shoe, no, because you didn't get a call. You got no call, so there's no job to do.
That's what you're missing. I don't need a call.
But listen, you need reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime. There's no crime happening. So why are you talking to me? There's not an infraction. I'm not driving. The car has to be expired. If it's sitting on the street and it's expired, then you can ticket it or tow it, bro. All right, man. Hey, y'all have a great day. I appreciate you, officer. But we had a Fifth Amendment and we had a Fourth Amendment. That's the right to secure our persons and everything. Yeah. So if there's no crime afoot, 148.G, 148.G, California statute, sir. No reasonable, articulable suspicion. You don't get ID anything. That's everything. That means no. Only if it's operating on a Yes. Man, I've been through this. I done sued the police department before. That's why I don't resist. That's why I don't resist. I give my name. So when the video Google what?
4,008 California vehicle code.
4,000A?
Yep.
4,000A, yes, sir.
4,008 California vehicle code. It doesn't matter if you're moving or if you're parked. If you're on a public roadway with a vehicle that's not registered, you're subject to being towed, man.
Yes, sir.
Okay? That's all I wanted to explain to you.
Yes, sir. I appreciate it. Yes, sir. You got to do too.
By the end, the man refuses to hand over his registration, but gives his name, stressing that he doesn't commit crimes and knows his rights. He explains he's even sued a police department before, which is why he stays calm and avoids resisting. The officer finally reminds him that any vehicle on a public roadway must be registered, whether moving or parked, and then leaves. The man goes back to eating his lunch, satisfied that he stood his ground and defended his rights. What do you think about this story? Share your thoughts in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.